Hey guys, this is Torres into the outdoors. I'm heading right over here. Start fishing today. It's the bridge I was fishing last time. And I'm right here now. I'm heading where those rocks are. That's why I'm gonna cast this current. Today looks like it's really high. I don't know. We haven't even rained. But today we're gonna have some thunderstorm, lightning. I don't know what time. I know that the sun is out. And I got only a few hours to fish because they don't allow you to fish until dark. That's it, man. No, you can't fish. You can't fish here. You gotta get out. You can't fish in the dark time, nighttime. So I'm fishing right here. Fishing right here this moment, this place. Oh, man. Oh, the current is high now. Still high. I don't know why it is. Well, let's see, guys. If I catch something, I will turn you guys back on. Okay, guys, I'm getting a bite, but I don't know. It could be a trout or something else. But it's lightning, and I'm under here. I don't think it's like it's lightning, buddy boys. It's a small fish. It's not a big fish. Small fish. Smallest fish. But it's lightning. Ooh, man. It's crazy. It's a small fish. But it took all my bait. Oh, it's near it. That's good. It's good. Now I can cast it over there. That thing falls. Okay, lightning, guys. It's lightning. Look at the weather is up there. Look at the clouds. It was nice and sunny. From nice and sunny to a cloudiness. So I'm under the bridge just in case anything, because it's lightning and everything. So I don't want to go home early. So I don't want to go home early. Oh, son of a gun, that mosquito went into my throat. Whew. Let me just cast again over here. On that side. There you go. See what's going on. Gotta be out before dark. Oh, man. Come on, guys. No small fish, big fish. No small fish. Okay. My goodness, my friends. Look at this. Woo! It's lightning and I'm still fishing under the bridge. And it's really windy. Really windy. Holy cow. coming down, and from here, from the under the bridge. What? Let me just get a night crawler. I could go home. I'm messing around with this for first. You don't mess with Mother Nature, but I just don't want to go home early. I just want to have a... And it's dangerous out here. Dangerous. Lightning. This is mad crazy, man. Mad crazy. Just put it right here. Oh, just in case something. Let me go this under the bridge. That's lightning, man. Those lightning are falling close. Crazy. Don't do this at home, guys. If there's some lightning, just go home. I'm near the car, so I just want to keep fishing. We need the rain. Let the rain it is, because it's like that. And that's the way it is. Everything gets stuck. I don't know why it gets stuck down there. These rocks are wet and slippery. And you know what that means, guys? Oh, you know. It means something was biting, but I don't know what was it. And I don't have full worm yet. Gotta be the small ones. I don't know if you hear the thunderstorm. I mean the thunder. I don't know if you hear the thunder. Holy cow, man. That's crazy, man. There's some other ones. It's already, look at this. One's already messed up. Trying to see if I can get a trout. Trying to see if I can get a trout. Let the trout. Well, I don't want to be far either from the edge. Reason is there's a dam up here. If they open that sucker up because it's raining, at least I'm up here, not down there. Well, I think it's getting better. My glasses is all wet. Can't see. Oh, take my glasses off. Whew, oh man. Okay guys, if I get something, if I catch something, I will turn you back on. Okay guys, I'm getting a bite. Oh, You seen that? You seen that little trout that jumped right there? Well, I don't know if I'm getting a bite. I just want to make sure that I have a bite. I want to make sure. Do I have a bite? Huh. I thought I did have. I was having a bite. Huh. That's crazy. I mean, whatever it was taking my bait. See? That's crazy. Probably was that little trout that jumped. You know, I can't. I gotta get some other worms now. Because I know if I cast this, it ain't gonna go far. And I'm casting without no sinkers. I always call them weights. I always forget the name of the sinker's name. So no sinkers, just without no sinkers, and that's it. And I'm happy that whoa, these rocks are dangerous. It's getting better. Better and better and better. Some of you maybe say, well, you just don't fish with the lure. I got some lures there. It's just I don't. I used to fish only with shiners. Live baits, just shiners. But when the COVID-19 came out, or before, I think it's before that. I think they were closing, places were closing, and you couldn't find shiners unless I had to go like 45 minutes to Belchertown from home, from Springfield. And that was too long drive. I didn't like to go drive up there. You know, you go to Belchertown and those guys, they don't even talk to you. They just, you know what I mean. I know people been going there. I want to mention no name, but they just, those guys never happy. They're grouchy. They're always grouchy, always. They need new people from there. I don't want to make no excuses. You know what I mean? If you got a business, man, you treat the people good, so that way they keep going to their business. You know, you buy some shells, gun shells, you buy some ammos, or you buy a gun, they still have the same. It's like, you know, when they hit them with a hammer right there in one of the toes, and they're in pain. That's how they look like. Okay, guys, I'm getting a bite. Okay. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. About time. Ooh. I don't know what it is, but it's about time. And oh, a trout. I got a trout. I got a trout. I got a trout. Oh, he's a feisty. There's a feisty one. Nice. Look at this, guys. Nice trout. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, it's about time I show you guys something. And before anything, I got to do this. Taking it home. Taking it home. I'm under the thunderstorm. It's still raining out. I can see the lightning, but I'm still under the bridge. Reason? The lightning. I ain't no hero, so I could be Flash or Lightning guy. So hopefully this thing is nice, and I'm gonna put it like this, so that way I can handle my my trout and get my pliers out. Man, it's about time I got a trout, man. There you go. Hopefully, I don't know where I got this thing on. I got my finger stuck with it. Okay, thank you, Lord. Thank you for the blessing. Thank you for blessing me this fish. Thank you very much. And hopefully I got a place to tie this thing up. Okay, I got it. So it won't go away from me. You see what I mean, guys? Almost got away from me. I slipped. Ooh, that was close. It was close. And I slipped on this rock. Lucky for me that I wasn't. Oh, man. There you go. Look at this. Okay, there you go. You know what? I'm going to put it right here. So that way, anything happens, I can grab it quick. I slipped and slide. Slippity slide. Because I don't have my glasses either. Now my glasses are wet and foggy. And I can't get it up. Whew. Okay. Okay, guys. I tried with a lure too. I tried with that, but I only had one bite, and that's it. Okay, let me throw it over there, cast it over there, and let it ring to one side. And the only problem about here is that I always forget to bring a towel so I can wash my hands. Guys, I'm sorry, but too many of back and forth with the water. I mean, my leg, the camera. Oh, jeez. Okay, guys. I'm gonna let you go until next one. Okay. I'm sorry for the camera, guys. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. I think I got a little bit there. I don't know. Wow. I don't know what it is, but what the hell is it? Crawfish? Oh shit, look at it. A nice white perch. Wow. Cool. 2 species today, guys. 2 fishies, 2 great fish to eat. This is a nice one. Look at that. Look at that thickness. See what I mean, guys? Look at that. Look at that thickness. That's what I'm talking about. This guy swallowed it. Oh, he's hungry. Feel sorry, dude, but you're gonna die anyway. And I'm gonna eat you. You're gonna be a fry pan. Guys, oh my goodness, I step always in the same rock. I always forget about it. Always forget stepping on that rock. Don't. You gotta put a warning on that rock. I know you guys two hate each other. You guys don't like each other. But there's 2 of them already. A white perch and a whatever. The trout. Okay. Still stop raining now. Okay, guys. What do you think about this? Look at that. Oh, I got another one, guys. I don't know what it is, but I got another. And it's a biggie one, too. It's a biggie. What is it, 12? It's too dark to see. Don't tell me these white perch is a fighter. Ew. Look at this. Look at this. This is a white perch. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Look at that. Look at this white perch. I mean, it's not as big as the on southeast, southwest, but hey, or north, it's a nice fish. Always let me wash my hands, man, because every time I wash my hands and when I put the worm on, I said, why my hands are dirty? I forgot that I'm putting the worms on, and the worms are come from that little dirt thing box, and that box is always, well, at least I got my worm back. Okay. What I do, I cast that way, and I let the a little fish just jump over there. I cast that way, and I let that worm goes under, and they usually bite me right there, bite on the bait. So I'm casting. See, that's why I'm casting over there. See. Now I let it go, and I got my little seat here, and fish right here. I don't need to fish standing up. Then I let it go like that. Okay, guys. And when I'm fishing, when I start fishing, and I turn you back on. Okay, guys. I think I got another one. Another fish. I can't tell you what it is, but until I get into the shore. And he looks like a white perch or a bass. Another white perch. Look at this, guys. Woo! I love it, man. I love it when God bless us when every time we go fishing or hunting or whatever you gotta do at home. Okay, that's good. Good enough. Now, these things here, I put them here. The empties, those empties, you gotta throw it away. You cannot keep them here. You bring stuff home. I mean, you bring from the home. You bring from home. You bring your worms. Don't throw the trash on the rocks and anything, dude. Just take them back home. You understand what I'm talking about? Why are you gonna trash the area where you go fishing? Remember, this is the land of the free. Keep it clean, dude. Keep it clean. I don't like to see trash. If you got like if you gotta make a new line on your reel, you're gonna put some new lines and you're fishing and you put it in the same time, yo, take the old one and take it home, trash it. If you don't want to trash it, when you get home, burn it. Burn it. Or something, or do something, as long as you don't trash it. You don't throw it in the lake or the river, because right here, you know, you never know. Animals or even a human can get Sometimes people doesn't obey the area, and he says no swimming, but they still go swimming. You never know. You could get hooked up on their leg or something with these lines. It's a 10-pound test, but when you get a hook up on your leg, on the arm, or whatever, it's strong. And yes, I like to fish with a 10-pound test, not 6, not 8. I want something when I pull, I don't have to worry about it's gonna go away. The only way is a big fish. When a big fish hits, that's the only thing. I don't want to worry about, you let the rear this thing loose or it could fight you. Nah, just bring it in. What's the use playing with a damn trowel or whatever? Try and see that trowel is strong, and get a 10 pounds and you don't have to worry about that. Oh, I'm getting a bite again, I think. Hey, look at right there, guys. Hey, man, there's a lot of white perch here, man. Okay, I know they're biting, but he's just playing with my my bait. Okay, could be the small ones. What they do, they play with my bait, and that's it. And I bet little baby ones are the ones killing my bait. Oh, look at this. Look at this bait. It's all chewed up. That's the way I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna leave it like that. Let it go. Whatever bites, it bites. You put a 6 pound, an 8 pound. An 8 pound is good. 6 pound, 4 pound, 6 pound, and then you have to just get out of here. Come on. Freaking fish is only like 2 pounds or 4 pounds. This thing here, 10 pounds, you can even take a 15-pound fish out, as long as you know how to take it out. You know, as an 8 pound, 4 pound fish, easily out. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I got the last fish of all. Here's a biggie one, I think. It's getting dark. There's still thunderstorm and lightning. I don't know what is it. Oh, nice white yellow perch. I mean white perch. Look at this. Woo, baby. Look at this. Look at this. That's nice. Nice white perch. Good size. Oh, I'm gonna step on the same rock again. Ooh, lucky enough that I remember, but after I stepped on it. Okay. Lucky enough that I remember after I stepped on it. Come on. What do you think about this, guys? I mean, for the day, it's not bad. You know, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 white perch and a trout. One more cast. Maybe the last one before it gets dark. And I think I gotta put some more worms on it before it gets dark. Lucky I'm not parked too far. Oh, my car is right there in the corner. Maybe 100 yards. maybe 100 yards. Oh, I had a long biting. I haven't. It's like, wow, man, they haven't bitten me for a long time. Because when last one got is the earlier, and that's it. Man, this thing sucks. Let's see if I get another bite. I did this, and I think let's see if I get another bite. It's dark up there. Look at this, the clouds. I mean, it's dark right now. It gets dark around 9:30, and it's 8:33. I still got an hour. It's cloudy because it's raining and thunderstorm. So that's why it's cloudy, guys. I mean, that's why it's getting like this dark. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me wash my hands, man. I don't know why. Oh, I forgot about it. It's the warm I had. Soon I'm gonna be with my cousin and with my friend. We're gonna do we're gonna go fishing, and we're gonna be cooking. So it's gonna be soon, guys, before the summer's over, because the summer is hanging by the rope. The summer is hanging by the rope. This freaking, I don't know, this line, man, look at this. It's incredible. It twisted. I don't know why it does that. It's expensive line. It's a good line. It's not a bad line, but you get twisted up quickly. I don't know if all the lines are like that. Maybe the 4, 6 pounder or 8 pounder is lesser. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on. Give me that bite. Give me that little bite again. See, it's getting like light, a little bit of little light. I still. It gets dark around 9:30. That's the summer. But after July, you start getting down, lesser and lesser, until we be dark at 4. And hopefully, in that time, in that month is deer season, pheasant season. I still can fish. Hey guys, it's dark. It's getting dark, so this is my last fish. Getting a bite. I got him. Oh, he's not telling me he's gone. Oh well, guys. This is my last bit right there. It was a little, I think it was a pumpkin seed or a bluegill. Cleaning up my line. It's getting dark. I gotta be out. I know I got still like, well, half an hour more. Okay. Sorry about the video. Guys, until next time, this is Torres into the outdoors, and I'm here in Red Bridge again. This is the underpath, and what I got today is what I show you: white perch and one trout, and a bluegill that just was gone there. So all these graffitis. I'm heading home. This one is my family that's worried about me because of thunderstorms. And that'd be it for me, guys. This is Torres into the outdoors, and fishing in Massachusetts, Red Bridge, Ludlow, Mass, or the underpass. Red Bridge is on top, but it's Ludlow. We got bats. That's a huge bat. My goodness. So until next time, guys, give me a subscribe, a like, and let me show you the fish that I caught. I don't want to step on that rock again. Stepped it 3 times already. So I'm going to show you again what I caught. Sorry about this is what I caught today. And a stick. The trout right there. And there's some white perch. Nice one, huh? So until next time, goodbye.